One of the primary purposes of GraphicsFlow is to deliver content, and that's going to be in the form of design ideas, clip art, as well as fonts. So when you first log in, you're going to be presented with design ideas. These are interactive design templates, and you can search through the various designs. You can go in and search by category, subcategory. You can also search by style, and then you can also search by keywords. So I'm going to show you an easy way to kind of drill down to find that perfect template for your project. I'm going to start with style, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to select a style for patches. Once I have patches selected, any of these designs can be easily modified for any subject matter. So the clip art and the text and the colors are merely placeholders. That's your starting point. Now, if you want to drill down even further, let's say I just want to look for patches that are related to football. I can type in football and look at those. Or if I want to clear my searches and maybe I just want to find a soccer design, I can just type in soccer to find a soccer design. Now you'll notice there's a green check next to this design. This means the design has previously been downloaded. Once you download it once, it is not going to count against your download limit. Now, if I'd like to edit this design, I have a multitude of options. One of the things I could do is I could click on the three dots here. I could download a CDR file that I can edit in CorelDRAW. I can download an Adobe Illustrator file that I can edit with live text. But I can also edit this design in the Stock Art Customizer. The Stock Art Customizer allows you to edit the text and the graphics and the design without having to use a professional graphics program like Illustrator or CorelDRAW. Customizer is an exclusive feature to the GraphicsFlow Elite plan. So if I click on the Customize function, all the labels for the text are going to be here. I can simply make the changes. I can change fonts. All the text is live. I can reposition objects. I can do all the basic editing that I need in order to customize this graphic. So I'm going to change this to a red, and then I'm going to change this black area to a blue. Once I'm done editing the graphic, I can just click on Save Design and then download a production file, either a PDF file for use with Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, Affinity Designer, any other vector graphics program, or a CorelDRAW file with live text. In addition to design ideas, we also have clip art. Every month when we drop in new design templates, we will take all of the design elements out of the templates and parse them out into separate elements. And we do this in case you want to be able to use these elements to create your own derivative work. So you have all the ribbons or clip art, design elements from within those templates. But if you need a specific clip art image, you can just go in and type in what you're looking for, or you can go to a category or subcategory. You're noticing that I'm on tigers here. If I scroll down, you can see a very wide variety of tiger styles. So for instance, if you wanted more of that classic style right here, or if you wanted something that's more collegiate, a little bit more modern, have it right here. And before you download that clip art, you can actually edit it. So if I go over here and I click on the clip art, provided I have a GraphicsFlow Elite plan, I can click on Customize and I can change the colors before I download it. Once I've made changes, I'm going to click on Save Design again. Then I'm going to download an editable vector file in PDF or CDR format. If I want to directly download a clip art image, I can click on the three dots button, download a CDR AI, or a PNG file with a transparent background that I can use for social media or web. We're also a font foundry. So if I go over here to fonts, you're going to notice there's 560 fonts that are included with GraphicsFlow. And you're also going to notice a link that says download all fonts. If I click on this link, I can download a zip file that has all 560 fonts in it. This is important because if you're going to edit these files in CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator, you want to have the fonts installed so you don't get a font substitution message. Now, one thing you'll notice about the fonts, there's a very wide variety of fonts. So we have fonts across many different genres. We're very well known for our athletic fonts. A lot of our athletic fonts, like our game day font, are industry standard collegiate fonts or fonts used in sports. These fonts are designed for apparel decoration, but they can be used for any context, sign making, awards. They're just good fonts, and in order to have good templates, you need good fonts. So in addition to the design ideas and clip art, the fonts provide a tremendous amount of value in your GraphicsFlow account. GraphicsFlow is updated with new design templates and clip art every month, and you'll notice those files are going to be at the top of your list when you go and log into your account. So all of the new files are going to be displayed at the top of the list. You can also go to the drop down and look at files you've previously downloaded. So you can see these are the 420 designs that I've previously downloaded. Not only is GraphicsFlow a massive content library, we're also keeping you current on graphics trends and reducing your reliance on creating custom graphics from scratch. The GraphicsFlow content covers a very wide variety of subject matter, as well as styles, so you have a complete graphics arsenal, whether it's corporate, small business, schools, teams, sports, or event graphics.